Hi, I'm Kim from Keep Fit with Kim. Today I have a low impact 15-minute workout for you. Start marching through the feet, just let those feet move. Check if you're working in bare feet that there's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on. Let's march it right left, right left, right left. Let those arms swing, shoulders are relaxed, head lifted. Just take it 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. Stay facing me if you can. All my workouts are designed to do in the space of a mat. So if you find you can't come forward, turn and walk along the space you have. Just watch you're not going to bash yourself on the telly or the settee. Right, we're going to take it out and in. Stepping your right foot out, back in. So I'm still doing that march movement. If I turn slightly sideways, probably see a bit better what I'm doing. Just march it on the spot. 4, 3, 2, and pause. Now then, let's go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Well done. 2 forward, 2 back, forward and back, forward and back. Hold it here. Left, right, left, right. Take it out and into the left. So out and in. So this foot stays where it is. Don't worry if you haven't got what I'm doing. Just make it up as you go along. As long as you're moving and not hurting yourself, you're getting some exercise, and that's all that matters. Hold it here. I'm going to turn slightly so you can see what I'm doing, but stay facing me if it's a little bit easier. So we're going to march forward for 4, back for 4. So 4, 3, 2. So if you've got the room, just stay facing me, come forward. Better for your neck, better to see what you're doing. So I'm going to turn to face you now. My feet will disappear, but you know what I'm doing. You can add a clap. I'm not going to clap loudly because it sounds really awful on the recording. So clap high, if that feels good. Well done. Let's march from the top. So right, left, right, left. Keep those feet moving through the gap. If you need a glass of water at any time, wander off and get it. Keep those feet moving. So slightly different beat, a little bit slower now. So you have to be a little bit more controlled. So think about keeping your pelvis as level as possible. Keeping your knees coming directly forward, not out to the side or in. If that's too much for your brain, just keep moving. 2 forward, 2 back. So forward, forward, back, back. Now, as a little bit slower, if you want, you can add a dip. If you don't want to, keep it small. Ready for that out, out, in step. So, march, march, in, march, march, in, march, march, in. So this left foot stays where it is. Well done. I hope I haven't totally confused you with this new step. Hold it here. 4, 3, 2. On the next time we're going to pause. 3, 2, pause. Left, right, left, right. So join me, change legs, so that we're evening up on both sides. Let's go forward and back. Left forward, right forward, left back, right back. Forward, forward, back, back. Forward, forward, back, back. I've got to be very careful here that I don't bash myself on the skirting board. I'm working out in a very, very small room. Take it out to the side, out, in. So I'm lifting that knee. It's not just a touch out, I'm marching wide and in, wide, in. Last 4, 3, 2, march it in. Let's take it to a right, left, right, left. Take it wide, and in. and wide, in and wide, 2 in, 2 out. Now I'm going to put together that forward and back and out and in. So you're going to go wide at the front, together at the back, in, wide at the front, together at the back. Hold it here and pause. Other leg, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Hold it and pause. Right, left. Trying to challenge your brain as well as your bodies today. Pause. Other side, left, right. Just wait for the music. Keep moving through. Grab water if you need to. Just march it through a bit faster now. So keeping those feet as soft as you can. So I'm starting left, right now. Whatever foot you're on, it doesn't really matter here. I'm going to take the heels out. Let's take it right, left. I've just done a little shifty. Doesn't matter if you're on the opposite foot to me. I like to always make sure that you start on the right. So I'm starting this side. So heel digs. Just lifting those toes up. Really important to keep that movement in the ankles, keep them flexible. If that's too much for you, you can always do it half time. But those that can are going to keep it with me. Let's make those arms bigger. Pointing along that foot as I heel it down. If it doesn't feel quite right, this feels a bit awkward the way I'm doing it, so if it doesn't work for you, do what feels good, but just get those arms moving. It might be out to the side. Let's take it to toe taps, toe in front, toe. Now, if your balance is good enough, I'm going to ask you to make that a little flick. Keep the knees soft. We're lifting the foot off the ground. Take it across the body. Again, if that isn't right for you, keep the toe down. Work with your fitness level, your balance, because if your balance isn't good, you're going to need to adapt, make it a bit easier. Well done. This one is easier, faster, so don't try and slow it down, just make it very much smaller. So if it's too much, this is good too. If you're finding that your balance is fantastic and you've got lots of energy, join me here. So keep it there, keep it low. Keep it high or low. Again, it's your body, your workout. You've got to do what feels right for you. Let's march it through. Let's touch out and in. So same little march movement, other side. With pause and in, out and pause. Other side and pause, other side. And pause, well done. Through. So it's a little toe tap or a big kick. Arms are as big or as small as feels good. So this is fine if you're out of breath. If you're happy, take it higher. 4, 3, 2, and march. Take that little out movement. So out and in, out and pause. Other side. Out and in. And pause, well done. Pause. Add arms if it feels right to you. So I'm taking the arms up to the side, really feeling that in the back of the arms. Just taking them up. Hold it here, just a little kick through. I'm just going to grab some water. My throat's a little dry. Keep those feet moving. Little kick across the body. It's a bit slower, so if you're struggling with your balance, you might need to put your toe down here. Let's take a side step to the right. Side step together. Not very big. If you don't want it to be. So if you've got lots of energy left, you're going to make it big. If you haven't, or if your ankles are aching a bit, keep it small. I'm going to go somewhere in the middle. Now, pump my arms. Are you ready to pause and take it to the other direction? 4, 3, 2, other side. Well done. Last 4, 3, 2, other side. And change. Just do the arms that feel right for you. If you're not happy with the arm movement, change it for something that feels right, and change. Feet stay the same. I'm going to push the arms in front. So I've got my arms at shoulder height. Other side. I'm going to turn sideways so that you can see what I'm doing. Other side. So I'm pulling back, touching my shoulders. Let's alternate one each way. Well done. If the arms feel too much, put them down. My shoulders are really beginning to ache. Kick across the body. Let the arms swing. Just let those shoulders relax. So again, remember, your body, your workout. If you need that to be small, make it little toe taps. If you've got some energy left and your balance is up for it, take it up higher. Let's take it to little knee lifts. And back to those heel digs. Knee lifts. Heel digs. So you can stay facing me. I generally turn so that you get the best chance of seeing what I'm actually doing. Nearly there, last track. So, I'm just going to lift the heels. We're going to start to bring the heart rate down now. I'm just touching my shoulders, pushing the arms back. Really feeling that in the back of the arms as well, working through the feet. Try and make sure your knees are coming directly forward, not twisting into the centre. Take the legs wide, little side bend. Only a small movement here. I'm sitting back slightly, feeling a little stretch on the inner thigh. If it doesn't feel good, change the position of your feet. My feet are slightly turned out, so the knees are tracking towards the toes. Bringing the feet back in and out, in and out. Getting some movement in those ankles. If that doesn't feel good, just hold it here and then do toes. Toes in and out. Let's try in, out, out. Across the floor and back. A little bit difficult if you've got a sticky floor. Just let those knees relax. Let's go back to those heel lifts. Well done. Take the arms up and forward, up and out, in and forward, in to the side. Take it up and out. Keep those feet moving. It's quite hard, isn't it? So this is really working your brain. You're finding your heels aren't coming up every time, mine aren't. Let's lose the arms, that's a bit too much for the brain and the feet. Let's take it toe taps. Really lifting those toes up. 4, 3, 2, other foot, toe taps. Change, toe taps. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, and again. Last 4, Other side. Doesn't matter which foot you started on, just change the foot when I say. 4, 3, 2, heel lifts, lift. Let's take the arms in front. Forward touch, forward touch, forward touch. Taking the right leg back. Let's do a little calf stretch. Front knee is directly above the ankle, both feet pointing forward. If you're struggling with your balance, then take your legs wider this way. If you're here, you're going to wobble. Watch the back foot's not turned out. Nice straight line from the top of the head through to the heel. Well done. Change sides. Both feet pointing forward. Make sure you're in balance. Knee is above the ankle so you can still see the toes at the front. Lean on the leg if you need to. Pull the belly in. Keep those hips nice and square forward. Feel the stretch in the calf. Well done. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now.